We're at the beach in Torrance, and we're gonna shoot some content. We don't know who's gonna be our star today yet, but we'll see.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Hi guys, this is one of my favorite spots. Had a lot of memory here. I've been here with a lot of loved ones, and last time I played was with my mom and my brothers after my grandma passed away, so it was very sentimental for me. And when I'm here, I envisions us as a team doing content here. Today I got my wishes and not planned. It's all spontaneous thanks to the man behind the camera. So come with us for the trip, okay?
Hey, it's a what type of day?
It's a beautiful day. We keep seeing people selling stuff on the yard today. Yeah, we have. So what's yours out today? It's interesting.
Just like me at the beach.
The park.
Beautiful day, Redondo Beach.
You see how the line's right here with the light?
Oh, actually, no, it's not Redondo. Torrance. Oh, it is Redondo. Never mind, I'm sorry.
Crazy how this music business shine bright. Foundation that is done through contracts. You don't own no social media, get a website and a mentor. Yes, you need a mentor. You do the business, okay. You wrote the song, he's claiming he did it. I can help with that. Consultation $250. Get this music business rigged so you stay asleep. Collaboration's cool, but get some split sheets.
Redondo Beach Pier, guys, pretty dope. Pretty dope. Half of mine is yours, so.
That's what Kui has said.
Hi guys.
Hello.
We're gonna go feed our tummy right now. We've been working all day. No food.
You know how we do it.
We're gonna reward ourselves right now. Okay?
Shark bite
And
time.
check out what kind of food is available right now.
Okay.
Corey, show them.
I was trying to look in there.
Nothing isolated about this. Oh. Get this. God is good. God is good. Yeah. He brought us back. It's been a long time, people.
We came, we shoot, we ate, we talked.
Yeah, we met a lot of friends here too.
Networking.
Wow.
What an amazing day. And now we're gonna go to our next adventure. So check it out. It's another video, okay?
Like, share, subscribe, comment.
Yeah, support us. Show us some love. If you want us to go to your hometown, just comment, okay?
Yeah, we'll pop up if we can. We'll try. Redondo was fun. Had a great time. It was an unexpected situation. Got to see a really close friend of mine. Man, this is a great trip. Work trip. We worked.
Photo bomb.